Hello and welcome to another lesson. We talked about JavaScript syntax in the last class. So in this lesson, we're looking at JavaScript variables. Variables are containers for storing data value. In our home, in our respective homes, we have how we store things in our kitchen, in our living room, and in our bedroom. So the same way JavaScript has a way of storing data values. The data could be of any type. It could be numbers, it could be, string, it could be arrays, it could be objects, things that have property. So variables are ways of storing data values in JavaScript. And variable must be identified with unique name. So there are rules and conventions for naming variables in JavaScript so that you don't run into an issue in your program or you don't see inconsistent output from the result of your program. Uh, we have JavaScript identifiers. An identifier is the name you give to a variable. So when you say something like let name is equal to Toby, let city is equal to Ibadan, that is an identifier. The identifier is the name or the city, and the name that you give to a variable is the value. So there are also rules for identifier. The first one says it must start with a letter, underscore, or dollar. So when you want to define your variable name, you can use an underscore, you can use a letter, or you can use a dollar sign and put other things that you want to put at the back. Number two says it can contain digits after the first character, which means that after your first character display, you can add digits. Let's say you add A1 or you add A5. JavaScript will still accept it as a valid identifier for your variable. Number three, it cannot be a reserved word. So there are reserved words that are special to the language itself that cannot be used when declaring your variable and cannot be used as identifier. Example is let const. You cannot do something like let name is equal to let or let name is equal to const. They are keywords in JavaScript. It will not be accepted as a valid identifier in your program. And the fourth one says they are case sensitive. So when naming your variable, case sensitivity is very important so that you don't get inconsistent result at the end of the day. And also JavaScript assignment operator equal sign, they are used to assign values to variable in JavaScript. And JavaScript also uses arithmetic operators to compute values. Arithmetic operator like plus, minus, division. As we go further in our learning, we will see how JavaScript handle operators so that you can have an idea and understand how all this thing works in JavaScript. So a recap is that JavaScript identifier are very important in how you name and how you declare your variable. I'll see you in the next one as we demonstrate how this looks like in JavaScript. Thank you.